students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn maths. Come on, we will begin our chapter. Today's subject is maths of standard 4th and name of the topic is fractions part 2. Dear children, we have already completed part 1 of this topic, isn't it? In that we have learned about the meaning of the fractions, how to read the fractions and how to write the fractions, isn't it? Okay, now we will take a quick recap of the part 1 portion of this topic and then we will proceed to our today's portion. You can see here an apple, isn't it? We will cut this apple into 2 equal parts. That is nothing but half, isn't it? From one whole we get 2 halves, right? 2 half parts from one whole. These are called as half parts, right? And here I will cut this in 4 equal parts and each part is called as 1/4, isn't it? When one sub-object is cut into 4 equal parts, then each part is called an 1/4, isn't it? Now, the rest 3 quarters are called as 3/4. This you know and you learnt about this in the first part. That is half, quarter and 3/4. Right? Now, here you can see the figures. In each figure, some part is shaded. Right? Now we will write the shaded part in fraction. Here, the first picture is the triangle. Triangle is divided into 2 parts and one part is shaded. Right? So we will write this in the fractional form, that is 1/2. How to read? 1/2, isn't it? Because total parts are 2 and one part is shaded. Okay, we will move to second figure. See here 4 figures, you can see they are attached. Out of 4, one figure is shaded, right? So it is 1/4, right? How to read? 1/4 or 1/4 or 1/4. Okay, now we will move to this figure. Here also 4 parts are there. Out of 4, one part is colored. So the fraction is 1/4, isn't it? Okay, now here you can see 3 parts are not shaded. So we will write the fraction like this. 3/4 means out of 4 parts, 3 parts are not shaded. How to read this? 3/4 or 3/4. Okay. Now, what fraction does the colored part show? Here we can see some pictures or figures with colored and uncolored parts. Okay, now we will try to write the shaded portion in the fractional form. See, this is first one. Out of 2, one part is shaded. You know the answer, that is 1/2. Right? This page I gave you for the homework in the part 1 lecture, isn't it? Okay, please check your answers. Now here total parts are 8. Out of them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are shaded. So 5 upon 8 is the answer. In this again 8 total parts are there and out of them 6 are shaded. So 6 upon 8. Here only 3 parts are there. Out of them 2 are shaded. So the answer is 2 upon 3. Right? Here out of 8, 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. So 3 upon 8. Now in the last picture, you can see 4 equal parts. Out of them 2 are shaded. So 2 upon 4. I hope you understood about these fractions, that is how to read and how to write, isn't it? Okay. Now we will try to solve this sum. See here 2 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 means 5 equal parts are there and how many selected? 2 in each case. Okay, then total how many selected from 5 equal parts? That is 2 plus 2, that is 4, isn't it? 4 upon 5 is the answer. Right? First we selected 2 parts out of 5 and again we selected 2 parts. So 2 plus 2 became 4. Right? Because the denominator is same. Okay. Now take this. 5 upon 9 means out of 9 equal parts, 5 are taken away. 5 parts are taken away. Then minus 2 upon 9. Here we are going to subtract. Here we did addition. Here we are going to subtract. Now 5 upon 9 parts were there. Out of them 2 parts are taken away. How many remain? Now 5 minus 2. Very simple. 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. So the answer is 3 upon 9. Got this? Here also the denominator is same. Remember. Okay? When the denominator remains same, we can carry out the addition and subtraction as usual. Okay? 2 more we will solve. 1 upon 7 plus 4 upon 7. Come on, tell me the answer. 1 plus 4. Yes, that is nothing but 5 upon 7. Very good. Direct addition. Okay? But not to forget to write 7 in the denominator, because we are dealing with the fractions. Okay? Now 7 upon 11. 7 pieces are there out of 11. From them we are going to take away 2 more. Yes, from 7 parts we have taken 2 more parts. How many remain there? 7 minus 2. Correct? That is 5. Right? 5 parts remain out of 11 parts. Got this, children? Here also, here denominator is 7 and here also denominator is 11. That is same for full sum. Okay? Here you can see 2 pizzas of different flavors. Right? Can you see? Okay. What is the question here? We have to divide these 2 pizzas equally among 3 children. They are hungry. Okay. And they need pizzas. They need equal shares. So what we will do? Yes, very good. We will cut the pizzas into 3 equal parts. right? First one we will, yes, you can see here we cut this pizza into 3 equal parts, right? And in the second pizza also 3 equal parts we got here, right? Now here 3 equal parts means 3 in the denominator, right? Total parts 3 in the denominator, isn't it? And one piece we will give to this boy and one piece to this boy, that is 1 upon 3, isn't it? This is also 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 3 to this boy. Yes. Now we will move to this pizza. Yes, here also we will distribute one piece to each child. Yes. Now they are satisfied because all the 3 got same portion, that is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3, right? Because in the first pizza also we made 3 parts, in the second pizza also we made 3 parts. From each pizza this boy got 1 piece and again here also 1 piece. So 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. You know the answer. What is the total portion he got? 2 upon 3, isn't it? Same in case of both the children. Here also see 2 upon 3. This boy also got 2 upon 3 portion and this boy also got 2 upon 3. Right? All 3 are happy now because they got equal shares of both the pizzas. Got this, children? When we add the same denominator numbers in the fraction, we can add directly. Okay? Now we will try to solve some more like this. See the right way. Here you can see a rectangle is divided into 4 pieces. Each is a quarter, correct? This is 1 quarter, second quarter, this is third quarter and this is fourth quarter. 2 are colored or 2 are shaded with yellow color. Okay, you know that shaded portion is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 2 upon 4, isn't it? Okay, I will show you one more thing here. Now I will shade the third part also. See this. This is also 1 upon 4, you know. Now, what is the shaded portion? Can you tell me? Okay, here I will add 1 upon 4. Okay. Now 4 in the denominator. Is it same? The answer? No, this is wrong now. Because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is nothing but 3 upon 4. Right? How we added now? We added all the numerators. Denominator is same here. Because the same object we divided into 4 equal parts and 3 parts are shaded. So 3 upon 4 is the answer. In one more method we can write like this. 1 upon 4. How many times? 3 times. Isn't it? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times we added. Right? So 1 upon 4 we multiply 3 times. So we will get the answer. 3 ones are 3 in the numerator and denominator remains same. See, check the answer. 3 upon 4. Here also we got 3 upon 4. Okay? Or we can write here 3 times 1 upon 4. Yes, we multiplied 3 times 1 upon 4. Yes, like this sum we did in multiplication or in the first sum about the addition also. See here I will write, I will recall that 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means what we will write? 3, how many times we multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Can you remember this? 5 times we multiplied, so I will write here 5. So what is the answer? 3 5s are 15. Right? 5 times 3. That is nothing but 3 5s are 15. Like same thing we used here. 3 times 1 by 4. How I have written here? 5 times 3 added here. Correct? Okay. We will learn something more about this. See here. Complete the table. Fractions. Same fractions we have to write in addition form, then multiplication form. Then we have to tell how many times we have multiplied. Okay. See first example. 5 upon 6. Yes, you know what to add here and how to add. Correct? 5 upon 6. Denominator remains same. So here we can write 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 4 times. Fifth time plus here means 5 times we have added 1 upon 6, then we get 5 upon 6. Right? Now multiplication here 1 upon 6 we have multiplied how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So I will write here 5. How many times? 5 times 1 upon 6. What to write here? 5 times 1 upon 6. What the answer? One more. 2 upon 4. Yes, children, can you tell me the addition form of this one? Yes, you are right. 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Nothing. The answer is 2 upon 4, isn't it? Now in the multiplication form, 1 upon 4 multiplied 2 times, isn't it? So we will get 2 upon 4. Now how many times? 2 times 1 upon 4. Isn't it easy? Okay, one more. 3 upon 8. Come on, tell me what to add. Yes, 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8. 3 times because 3 is there in the numerator. Now here what we will write? 1 upon 8 multiplied 3 times, isn't it? So the answer is 3 ones are 3, that is 3 upon 8. Now how many times we used 1 upon 8 here? 3 times. Correct? Got the children? I hope you understood about the addition and multiplication form. Right? Good. Now write in fraction form and color the given portion. First we have to write this in the fraction form. 5 upon 7. You know how to write. 5 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. Isn't it? 5 upon 7. Now see this picture. Means here 7 equal parts are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. This is right. 7. So 7 equal parts are there. And what they said, color the given portion. How many portion? How many parts we have to color here? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Yes. See this. Correct? 5 portion we have colored out of 7 parts. Next one is 2 upon 3. We will write 2 up in the numerator and 3 in the denominator. Right? Now Here we will draw the figure. See this. Correct? 2 parts are shaded out of 3 parts. The circle is divided into 3 parts. 2 parts are shaded. Yes. Next thing is 6 upon 10. Means 6 will be in the numerator and 10 in the denominator. Right? Now see the figure. Here 10 equal parts are there in the rectangle. How many we have to color? 6 parts. Okay, we will color. Yes. Right? 6 parts we colored. We have done our work. Isn't it? We have written the same given in the fraction form and then we colored the portion exactly equal to the fraction form. Now here write the shaded and unshaded parts of the shapes below. We'll see here. Okay. Yes. We can see here 4 figures with shaded and unshaded parts. Right? Okay, we will go to first one. See the figure. Shaded fraction we have to write here. Total parts are 8. Out of them 4 are shaded. Right? So the answer is 4 upon 8. Isn't it? How to read this? Yes, 4 upon 8. Now come on, we will write unshaded fraction. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same thing. 4 upon 8 and how to read? Read as 4 upon 8. Isn't it? Now here second picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total parts are 5. So denominator will be 5. And shaded portion that is 2. So the answer is 2 upon 5. How to read? 2 upon 5. Correct? And unshaded fraction. See, this is 1, 2, 3. Right? So the answer is here 3 upon 5 and read as 3 upon 5. Next thing is circle and only one part is shaded. So out of 6 part, so 1 upon 6 is our answer and read as 1 upon 6. And about unshaded fraction, out of 6 only 1 is shaded, means 5 are not shaded or they are unshaded. So the answer is 5 upon 6 and read as 5 upon 6. Correct? Now the last figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total parts are 7. So our denominator is 7 and only 2 parts are shaded. So our shaded fraction is 2 upon 7. Correct? And read as 2 upon 7. And unshaded fraction will be 5 upon 7. Isn't it? And read as 5 upon 7. I hope you understood about this clearly. Correct? Because we have solved 4 examples. Right? Areva, here we can see 3 apples. Fresh apples are there. Who is going to eat them? Okay, one question is there. How will you distribute these 3 apples equally among 2 children? 3 apples are there and 2 children are there. So big problem arises. How to distribute these 3 apples among 2 children? Okay, first we will give one apple to each child. Take this. Take this. Now 1 remained. What to do now? They need equal shares. Yes, come on children. What is the solution for this? What to do with this apple? Yes, have any idea? Let me know. Yes, very good. We will cut this apple into two pieces. Correct. Half, half. Yes, now we will give first half to this boy and this half to this girl. Very good. Both are happy. See their faces. Okay, how much he got? He got one full and half. She also got one full and one half. Isn't it? Like this portion they got. Now you can see here one and half. Here also one full and half. Dear children, you can see here three numbers. One beside, one in the numerator and one in the denominator. This is full and this is half, isn't it? Like this, fraction is called as mixed fraction. Got this? This whole number is also there and fraction is also there. So this type, if there are three numbers, okay, then it is called as mixed fraction. Remember the word mixed fraction. Mixing whole number and fraction. So that is called as mixed fraction. We will see some more like this. Learn more about mixed fractions. Yes, you can see one whole apple and this is a quarter. You know this, correct? One whole, we will write one whole. And how to write quarter part? 1/4, that is nothing but 1/4. You know this, correct? Already we have learned about this quarter part. We write using 1/4, 1/4, right? 1, how to read this? 1/4. This is 1/4. Same we have to read we have to use the earlier style, that is 1/4, but we have to add this 1. How to read? 1/4. Okay? Now, one more example. Here we can see two apples and a quarter part. So, 2 we will write first, then quarter part, that is 1/4. Right? Now, to read this, come on, tell me. Use this as a reference. Yes, very good. First, we have to tell about the whole number, that is 2, then 1/4. How to write? 2, 1/4. Got this? Okay, take one more. Here you can see 3 apples and 1/2. Very good. So we will write 3 first and this half. How we write half in the fraction form? Yes, 1/2 or 1/2. Come on, try to read this mixed fraction. Yes, 3, 1/2. Very good. 3 is the whole number, so we read this first. 3, 1/2. Okay, take one more example. Here we can see 4 apples. One is behind. Can you see here? Okay, 4 apples and a half apple. 4 and half. You know that. Okay, we will write first 4 and half. This is 4 and half. And how to read this? 4, 1/2. Here also we can say 1 and quarter, 2 and quarter, 3 and half, 4 and half. Right? We will write some mixed fractions here and we will try to read them. Okay? See this. Come on, try to read this. You know how to read now? Yes, correct. You have to read first the whole number, then fraction. 5, 2 upon 3. Right. Next is 6. 1 upon 3. Isn't it? Very good. Last one. Come on. 2, 5 upon 9. Very nice. Yes, dear children, in the part 3 of this lesson, we will learn about the comparison of the fractions. We will try to compare the fractions. Okay? Take care of yourself. Okay? Stay home. Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get new updated videos.